Hey guys, it's me. Just doing a quick video for you guys here today. In this video, I had previously tried these and I wasn't much of a fan, but they grew on me and I keep buying these mints. Well, mints. They're not mint. They taste like cotton candy and they're sugar free, and I definitely would buy these again by Big Sky. Anyways, get on with the video. So from the Japan box, I don't know what this is. What the hell is that? Oh, it looks like a date. No. Never again. Sorry about that, guys. This strawberry Kit Kat. Gotta get that taste out of my mouth. So, strawberry. These are all from Japan. It's interesting. I prefer some of the other flavors that we tasted previously, but it's okay. It's not my favorite, but it's better than that whatever the date that I tried. Anyways, guys, thanks for coming to watch. Sorry about my voice, and I hope you all have a great day, and I will catch you all and see you guys next time. Thanks, bye.